billionaire dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it. Alright, what's going on, y'all? Today, I'm gonna give y'all a little quick tour of my room. We're in room 9181 on the MSC Seashore. So you walk in. I don't know why this is not on my door, but anyway, walk in. You see, do not disturb, makeup room. You gotta put your key card in here to turn power on in the room. If you don't put your key card in there, or somebody put their key card, you're not gonna have power. You got a light button right here. I know it's a little, now granted, my complaint with this room is I done been on MSC before. We done been on MSC Meraviglia 3 times. Been on other cruise ships. This seems narrow. I don't know why, it just does. It seems smaller than other cruise ships. So yes, so Cadence stroller is just right here. So let's go to the bathroom first. You walk in, you got the shower. You see shower gel, you see shampoo. You got your line to hang your clothes up and everything. Shower head and all that stuff. All right, so then you keep going. You got rags and all that. We gotta put our stuff in here. Bam, mirrors, cool. What's happening, y'all? Your boy. And then, okay, cool. Got tissue under here, all that. Cool. For the floor, towels. Y'all know what a standard bathroom look like if you've been on a cruise before. Not now. See, normally you can walk past here. Again, before, maybe it looks narrow, maybe it wasn't that narrow, but last time we got on the cruise ship, we didn't have a son. We have a child now. He's 1 year old. Say, hey, Cadence. Hey, are you walking? You go walk to daddy's? Hey, man. Look at you. Yo, so maybe it was always this big, and we just didn't notice it because we didn't have a child. But
this is narrow.
Yeah, it's narrow.
Also different shifts, so
That failed.
I think
So,
this ship is small. It definitely is smaller than
Right. Right. So you got drawers, as you can see right here. Bam. There's your closet space over here. Dang. Look, you know what? It's closet over there. It's not that big. I'm gonna show. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Sorry, y'all gonna have to see all this on camera. Ow! Just hit my foot with this thing. Still trying to get settled into the room. So there's your safe. You got lighting. Bam. Bit. Here's your closet space. This moves. Cadence say, hey man, here's your bed right here. I mean, it's a bed. So, buddy, you got a full length mirror. We got all our stuff, trash right here. They had the sofa already turned out for a third person, which was him. I don't know why they would think he's gonna sleep on this by himself, but whatever. Yeah. Oh look, y'all, we got dolphins.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. It's dolphins in the water. Wow. I think I caught it right at the end. Hopefully it'll come back up again.
So he said.
There you go. Look, there go another dolphin. There you go. All right, y'all. So we back with another room tour, and this time we're in room 14205, and because we asked for an accessible room because Cadence, my wife wanted him to get in a bathtub so we can give him a bath instead of just a straight shower. 205. So you come in. Of course, the do not disturb. Card and light switch. The light switch, bam. So like I was saying, instead of just a straight shower, this one has a tub, and actually it's bigger than the other one too. So bam. You got towels and stuff over there. Okay, they already got the clothes lined up, to dry your clothes, mirror and everything. I like this one better. For some reason, this room seems brighter too. It's a brighter room. Of course, your thermostat. It's not like the other one. I'm not gonna lie, that was a little janky. But here we go. You got this one right here. Got the mirror and everything. Oh, it's just the mini bar. Mini bar is locked. The other one, the mini bar wasn't locked. All right, cool. Closet space. I found out the mini bar is not included in the drink package, and didn't know that, but that's something good to know. So even though it'll cover it. Technically, it's not included. So you have drawers and everything. Cool. I don't know if that bottom one is a drawer. Chairs under the table, TV, phone, mirror. Of course, I don't think this is a pull-out couch because they said something about that. Wait, is it? No, it's not a pull-out couch, which is cool. Kay didn't sleep with us anyway. Some art on the wall, lights over here, a couple towels on the bed. Here's your bed. The configuration was set up different. Remember, on the other room, the configuration was the bed was closer to the door and the sofa was closer to the balcony. Now it's vice versa, and it's facing the other way too. So, bam. Full-length mirror. Like I said, your light switch. And then you have your balcony. Hold on, let me unlock that. You got a couple chairs out here, and a little table or footstool, whatever you want to call it. And the ocean.